Now let's actually build something. We are going to create an AI-powered automation from scratch, and I'll walk you through every step. We'll be building a Zap that does this. When you receive a new email in Gmail, an AI model summarizes it, and the summary is posted to a Slack channel. This is a practical, real-world automation that saves you time every day. You'll need a free Zapier account, right here, a Gmail account, and a Slack workspace. All of these have free tiers. Step 1, create a new Zap. So log into Zapier and click Create, right here, to start a new Zap. Select Zap, Automated Workflows. You can also try the Copilot feature by simply typing in, when I get a new Gmail. Let's set up a trigger. Select Gmail as your trigger app. And select the trigger event new email. Which is right there. And connect your Gmail account when prompted. We'll add the account right there. So I'm authenticated to Gmail and connected so I had previously connected my Gmail account to Zapier, but you might be prompted to set up the integration. So let us continue. And here you can add filters. For example, if you want to trigger on emails with a specific label or from a specific sender, you would select it right here. So I'll keep it as inbox and all emailed and continue. Test the trigger to make sure it pulls in recent emails. Test your trigger. So here we see it pulled in a few records. Let's see if anything new came in the past few seconds. Nope. And you can click on the records that is found to verify these are actually new emails. Go to your email box right here and see what new email came through. I have quite a few from DataCamp, so we'll be selecting those. Selected email B and X out of this and continue with the selected one. And then next we will add the AI step. Select AI by Zapier. This is your new action step. You can search for the tool that you want to use. Zapier has built-in AI actions, or you can connect to ChatGPT, Claude, or other AI models directly. So I have chosen Zapier's AI, built-in AI. And for my prompt, I will select. For our prompt, we want to say something like, summarize the following email in 2 or 3 sentences, focus on the main topic, any action item, and the recipient's intent. So let's paste that in there. Let's do this. Let's paste that. And there's intent. And then here, let's add the email. See this little plus sign? Insert the email body from the trigger. I will follow Copilot suggestions for this and have that added in there. email body plane. Let's add that. Generate a preview. So Zapier lets you map fields from previous steps in your prompt, so the actual email content gets inserted automatically. So click Finish. And then for our next step, we'll post to Slack. This is another action step. So choose Slack as your app. And for the event, we'd want to select Send Channel Message. Let's search for Send Channel Message as your action. We have the account. And continue. Right here, select your channel. And I have Nas'scybercorner as my channel in Slack. So I will select it right there. And for in the message field, we'd want to combine key info, right? The sender's name and the AI summary. So let's type in, let's say, new email and hit that plus sign. And we'd want to get the sender. I want the output, right, from my summary. So output. And we should be good to go. Let's hit continue. And like previous steps, test the step. We can test each step individually just to make sure the trigger pulls in real email data, the AI step produces a good summary, and the Slack step posts correctly. So let's look at our Slack channel. And here's our email. Email confirms my registration for Data Camp. And it's summarized. So that looks good. And once everything checks out, we will turn on the Zap by publishing. So now every time you get a new email, you'll see a concise AI generated summary in Slack. No manual effort required. Once you've built your first Zap, try these modifications. Add a filter that summarizes emails longer than 200 words. Add a step that saves the summary to a Google Sheet for tracking. Change the AI prompt to extract action items. The point is to start simple and expand. Every variation teaches you more about how automation and AI work together. You just built an AI-powered automation without writing a single line of code. That's the power of tools like Zapier. The thinking behind it, triggers, actions, data transformation, and AI processing is the same thinking that drives security automation and SOAR platforms. Start small, build real things, and the skills transfer.